Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be using everything we've learned so far to make a simple starter project. This project will require you to have your EdgePi connected to a network, Visual Studio Code installed along with the virtual environment and software development kit, and a peripheral thermocouple. If you missed any of those videos, there will be links for them in the description, so you can catch up before we get started. If you don't have a thermocouple, we sell them online on the EdgePi store. You can also check the EdgePi wiki for a list of supported thermocouple types, as well as an overview of this entire project. Now that you've completed all those tutorials, you should have VS Code open with the virtual environment setup and the SDK installed. This project will have us reading the temperature from our thermocouple and displaying it in the terminal. Now I'll show you how to connect a thermocouple. Take your thermocouple, your EdgePi, and a screwdriver small enough that it will fit in the terminal blocks. Look for ports 29 and 30, labeled TC plus and TC minus, and loosen the screws above them. Put the positive end of your thermocouple into port 29 and the negative end into port 30. If you mess up the polarity, your temperature readings won't be accurate. In fact, they'll look pretty weird, so make sure the polarity is correct. Now back in Visual Studio, we're going to start writing some code in our Python file. First, we'll import the EdgePi modules. This will allow us to work with the thermocouple. Next, we'll initialize the thermocouple. This code changes a setting in the thermocouple that makes it into single sample mode. And this line will take that as a single measurement. This last line will print out that measurement into the terminal. Now if we run this, you can see that the temperature will print out. You can read this as cold junction voltage on the left and linearized temperature on the right. That's it for today's video. For more details and projects, check out the EdgePi wiki, link in description.